Fam dolls, welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are fabulous today. I know I've been missing again, and I'm so freaking sorry for constantly taking these little breaks. It's just, I'm gonna be honest, it's been really hard the last couple of years with my new career and just being a mom of 2 kids in sports and everything. So I'm really trying to get videos up, but I was also kind of waiting for this package, or actually 2 packages, to come in to film. One of them showed up this morning, which is why I'm not like glammed out or anything right now. I am on comfy mode, chilling at home in my sweats and everything, and it just came. My first of 2 packages just came. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it is the Jeffree Star Valentines 2020 mystery boxes. And if you follow me on social medias, if you don't, you need to, because that's where I post the most up-to-date stuff about giveaways and things like that. I was one of those who, when I went on the website, originally had issues with selecting another box. Now, everybody was saying, because there's 3 tiers. There is the premium, deluxe, and supreme, I believe is what they are. And the premium is the baby box. Well, I went on my computer and the drop down was not working. It would not select anything. It was almost like the page was frozen, but it did let me add to cart. The mirror, I got one of the mirrors, and it was only letting me select the premium. So I thought, well, maybe they're sold out of all the rest, but I was on at 10 a.m. Like, I was on at 9:58 a.m. And so I was like, fine, I don't want to miss out. So I'm going to go ahead and just get the small box just in case, so I don't miss out. So I bought that box, and I just went back onto the site to see if there was anything else I wanted to buy. And I went on my phone, actually, and lo and behold, the site was actually letting me drop down. And so the Supreme one, the biggest box, had sold out by the time I checked out with my other boxes and had gone back on. But the medium box, the deluxe, which is actually the one I want because that's the one that has clothing in it, that one was available. So I ordered that one, and I said, okay, since I'm able to get my big box, I'm going to do a giveaway of the premium box, which is the smaller one. Well, I got that one in today. I want to do an unboxing with it, but what I've decided to do is actually do a mixture of both the deluxe and the small box, some items from each, and do a giveaway with that, because I actually got to see the sneak peek of what is in the deluxe box, and I already have a lot of the items. So I'm gonna do a mixture of both and be able to do a giveaway that way. So once the deluxe box gets here, the giveaway for the Jeffree Star mystery box will be going up. But today I'm gonna go ahead and unbox the premium box for you. I have not looked inside at all. I've had no sneak peeks of it. Here it is. The only thing I have done is cut the tape off of it. That is it. I have not looked inside at all. But before we get into that unboxing, I want to go ahead and show you guys the only other item that I got from this collection, which was the new Jeffree Star approved mirrors, which, okay, I'm actually really happy that I didn't get the Supreme box, because these mirrors were in that box. So I would have been really kind of bummed if I got 2. Granted, I could have done a giveaway with it, but if I was already going to buy the box, there's no need for me to go buy a second one. So I am going to go ahead and, I'm actually kind of glad it worked out. And I saw what was in the Supreme box, and to be honest, there wasn't anything that I was like really wanting in there. So it kind of worked out for me. So I got the pink and black mirror. It is so freaking cute. And these are good size mirrors. These are bigger than his other star-sized ones, I believe. But I think the pig mirror is bigger. Yeah, the pig mirror is definitely bigger than this one. Not by much, but it is a little bit bigger. The mirror on it, I'll show you guys. I don't want to like blind you with the ring light, but the mirror isn't as big as like the pig mirror. This one's a little circle, but this one's so cute. I love these mirrors so much. So I'm glad to add another one of his mirrors to my collection. And since that is all I got from the collection, let's go ahead and jump in to what is in the premium box. So let's get into it. I haven't seen a lot of videos. I haven't seen any videos on the premium box. I've only seen deluxe and supreme so far. Now, because there was the issue with the drop down, Jeffree Star said that everybody who got the smaller box is going to freak out when they see what's in it. So I'm like really excited. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. And the first thing that is in here is this cute ass beanie, which I'm so excited for. It's the little hearts and it's got the Jeffree Star logo. This is so freaking cute. I haven't decided if I want to keep this or put this in the giveaway yet. But it is so adorable. I do know there's a hat coming in the medium-sized box, so I may give this one away and keep the hat. I'm gonna put one of them in the giveaway, so just know that there is gonna be a hat in my giveaway. And then the next thing I got is a Jeffree Star pop socket. That is cute. I guess, okay, so I got to clear this up. This is the first mystery box I've ever done with Jeffree Star. I haven't been really fond of them, and there's been a lot of drama around them, so I haven't been really fond of them. But I have seen the unboxings, and I believe he did pop sockets in the last one. These are really cute, and I use pop sockets on my phone all the time. But I think I'm going to go ahead and put this into the giveaway for somebody. Okay, so next up we have the gloss, and this is in the color Succulent. Okay, so Succulent, let's see what color is Succulent. I don't want to ruin it in case I want to give away, but I want to show you guys the colors, so in case I do decide to give this one away. Oh, how am I going to open this? Okay, I'm going to go through the bottom. So this is a really pretty iridescent-y pink color. That's really pretty. It's really sparkly. It's got some nice gold tones in there. This is actually a really wearable color. So yes, I am going to be putting this into the giveaway because one, I use the clear gloss a lot, and then I have another one that's really, really sparkly that I use, but I don't wear a lot of pink, but I think this would get better use with someone else. So this will be going into the giveaway. Then I got some more tissue paper and some more tissue paper. And then I think this is the last thing. Yeah, I think there's only 4 items in the small box. Okay, so this, I hope this is what I think this is. I hope this is. Okay, it's got the alien wrapping paper. So I'm hoping this is the alien palette because I love this palette, you guys, if it is. And as you know, they discontinued it. And I was really sad about it because I feel like I didn't even get warning. Holy shit, you guys. It is the alien palette. Oh my God. Holy shiznit, you guys. This palette was epic. If you haven't seen it, let me grab mine. Mine is so well loved, you guys. Holy smokes, you guys. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. I was so sad because I wanted to buy a second one to have on backup because that palette was so epic, and one of my favorite colors of all time to use as a highlighter and an eyeshadow is in that palette. And I feel like we didn't even get notice that they were gonna freaking discontinue Thirsty or alien. So I'm in my feelings about that. But let me grab mine. Okay, so here is mine. Yours is nice and shiny and new. So yes, I am going to give this one away because I do already have it. And I have a secret to tell you guys. I want to try to go on a no buy here really soon because after next month, I am going to be going on a no buy for a while and using everything that I have, because I feel like I've become a makeup hoarder and it's becoming a serious problem in my house. Like, I have no room to put anything and I keep getting rid of things, but I keep buying more and more things. So I really need to just halt for a little bit, use some of the stuff that I have already, because I'm using like things one time and then never again. But anyway, I digress. So I don't need a second alien palette. I want to give this away to somebody who was not able to get this. I am blessed enough to have it. Here is the packaging. How fucking epic was this packaging, you guys? Jeffree always kills it. Now let me show you the inside. There's a big ass mirror, first of all, and it folds backwards just like this so that you can freaking do what you do. And I'm sure you can tell which color that has been dug into right here. I don't know if you can see because it's so shiny. This one is like at pan, you guys. Literally at pan right there. Oh, so sad. I love this palette so much, you guys. This is like the perfect fall winter palette for me. Like, so many cool tones and warm tones. Like, this is just such a pretty ass palette all together. And that green that they're doing, I feel like it looks a lot like Flying Saucer, but I don't know, it could be totally different, but I don't know. So I'm gonna be giving away some of the items in the premium box, this being one of them. And I am also giving away the gloss and the pop socket. And I haven't decided if I'm going to give away the beanie or the hat that's coming in the other palette or in the other box. But I'm going to wait to start the giveaway up, like I said, until the other box gets here, because I'm going to be giving away a bunch of items that are in that box as well, because I really don't need doubles and triples of everything. I never get through one damn palette any damn ways. So stay tuned. It has shipped out. It should be here in a couple days. It's coming from LA, and I live in California, or I live in California. I live 4 hours away from LA. So it should be here. Hopefully, if USPS gets their ass in order, it should be here by Monday or Tuesday. So I will be doing that unboxing literally the day that I get it. And we will get this giveaway up and going. So bear with me a few more days. It should be up by Wednesday at the latest. Stay tuned, guys. Giveaway coming soon. What do you guys think of the mystery boxes this time around? Do you guys think that they were worth it? I paid, oh, by the way, what did I paid $60 for these 4 items, okay? $60. The other one that I got was $100, and that one has 8 items. So this palette alone, I want to say was like 50 bucks. So right there, I feel like I got my money. And these beanies, I'm sure he sells them for at least 20 bucks minimum. Pop sockets are worth at least another 10 bucks at the, you know, and then the gloss is worth another 20. So I definitely feel like I got my money's worth for sure. I would say this box is worth about 100 bucks and I only paid 60 for it. So I feel like I got a hella good deal. And, it's got an item that's not even in anymore, you guys. Honestly, if I were still in my hoarder ways, I might have just kept this for myself. But I've got to give it to one of you guys who never got your chance to get your hands on it. This fucking palette was epic. Excuse my language, but it was so epic. And if you don't have it, I want you to get your hands on it. I just, So yeah. Anyway, enough with the babbling. I'm sorry. I just haven't seen you guys in so long. I just miss you guys so much. I miss you so much. I wish I had more time to film you guys. I really freaking do. And I'm trying. So just bear with me. Hang around. Thank you everyone for hanging in there with me. But stay tuned. By Wednesday, we should have the giveaway up and going. So I will see you guys in a couple of days. I love you guys so much, so much. And I will see you guys soon. Bye. Mwah.